Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, today we're going to talk about the cash secure put. A lot of people ask me questions all the time. Hey, John, what's the next best trade? What stock you trading? What index you trading? I'm going to answer that quite simply. We trade indexes and sectors and any of our favorite stocks when they're trading at the bottom of the range. That's when we want to get involved. We do not have to get involved when our favorite stock, ETF, is trading at the top of the range. Wall Street ready to give somebody the bag. We can always find great trades within our collection of stocks and ETFs that we watch where we can place trades and have skin in the game. TQs, the TQQQ, is one that I trade all the time. I'm going to show you all my cash secure puts for 2026 so far. It's February 16th, 2026. So we're about a month and a half into this year. I'm going to show you all those incredible cash secure puts we do. So if you like anything you hear today, and I know you're out there, you want to get into retirement, or maybe you're in retirement, you want to generate consistent cash flow. Well, you found the right guy, because I'm in retirement. I retired at 55. I'm now 58. See, if I'm not good at this, then I'm back at the 9 to 5, and that's not going to happen. So we trade the stock market professionally. But what I'm about to show you is all of my members get all of my trades, and many of them will do the trade that I sent out this weekend. Now, I'm going to show you this trade alert, but I'm going to show you other trades that I actually have on. So I don't just talk a good game. I put my real money at risk. I will not send the members anything that I'm not willing to put my own money at risk. I'll tell you what, TQs is one of my favorite. It is the NASDAQ. It is a 3X leveraged ETF. We use the 3X leveraged ETF because we can make more premium. Now, look, I'm totally out of sync on this video. Let's go ahead and do this. If you like anything you hear, I want you to subscribe to the channel. And hey, look, before we get going, right now, if you love what you're hearing, bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is getting back on track. We use leveraged ETFs to the indexes. The QQQ is the NASDAQ, and many people will trade it. They will write covered calls against their QQQ shares, or they'll do a cash secure put on the QQQ, and they'll make that cash flow. I use the TQQQs because I'm able to generate 3 times the premium profit. Of course, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for volatility, because volatility does not equal risk. We're going to go ahead and use the TQQQs for this trade that I'm about to show you now. Now, one of the golden guidelines of any cash secure put strategy, trade, or plan has to be a great entry point. You do not want to be getting involved when it's trading at the top of the range. I'll tell you, so many times people are doing videos on YouTube where they literally do an at the money strike and the stock falls $20. That actually just happened to somebody on YouTube. Now, apparently got out the next day, saved his ass. But the reality is, had he done that trade until February 20th this week, he'd have been stuck being in. It's now trading for $255. We always give ourselves downside protection. We always look at the charts. We want to get in when it's trading at the bottom. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it in this video. We're only going to do this for a few moments here. I want to show you how to pick your next great cash secure put trade. Has nothing to do with the ticker I'm talking about. Now, you may use TQQQ, but you need to understand it's volatile. It's 3X leverage. And with that said, if you equate volatility to risk, it's not one you want to use because it moves in big swings. I was just reviewing some of my trades for 2026, and I was getting involved with this when it was trading at 58. It's now trading for 48. And most people would be in the fetal position, not being able to let go of the money emotions. See, we don't have money emotions at the membership because we start our trades exactly the way the golden guidelines of cash secure put selling dictates. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to find our great indexes because we want to be diversified. We want to use leverage because that gives us more premium, but we want to make sure we're getting a good entry point. and then we place the trade. So let's go ahead and take a look at this trade alert I just sent to the members this weekend. It's on TQQQ. Now, TQQQ is trading for about 48, 47. I'm going to show you on the charts. Now, I'm going to give myself downside protection. The number one rule at the membership is try to give yourself downside protection, find a good favorable entry. I guess that's 1A, 1B. You pick it. Downside, favorable entry, vice versa. That's how we start a trade. Look, we already have our baskets of stocks and all that mumbo jumbo of pick something that you're willing to hold. There's a lot of traders out there that are trading for the IV. They're trading for the jacked up IV. They're picking stocks that literally will burn them. I know, I've been on these Facebook groups and Discords, and every time I mention leveraged ETFs to the indexes, oh man, they're literally running for the door, worried, scared, yet they're using individual stocks with high IV. I'll tell you what, single stock risk is the scariest. This is why we use indexes, sectors, and the Mag 7, because the Mag 7 is such a unique group of stocks. They're so big when they enter the room, right? When Apple enters the S&P 500 room, they take up most of the space. Wall Street has invested in the Mag 7 heavily, and they can't let them tank. Yeah, they're going to trade in ranges like Apple. Apple's going to go higher. I've already done many poor man covered calls on Apple this year using its 2x leveraged ETF AAPU. Remember, volatility does not equal risk. We're trading Apple. So the TQQQs is set up for a very decent trade. I love it. In fact, I would do this on Monday. And in fact, if I have some cash, I will. But I'm going to show you that I have 2 trades on right now. I love my trade setups because we always find a way to get in at the bottom of the range. So let's go ahead and talk about golden guideline number 1. We want to find a favorable entry. So we're using TQQQ. This is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has fallen. If I overlaid this chart, TQQQ, with the Qs, QQQ, they look basically the same. Now, they're priced differently, and this is a 3x leverage, so you're going to get a little slippage in your chart reading, but it's about the same. What we want to do is get involved when it's trading at the bottom of the range. And that's what we're going to do right now with the TQQQs. I sent this out to the members, letting them know that the 47 strike is in range. It's in our range. It's in our focus for this week. I even talked about how longer term support is 45. So if we're assigned the shares at 45 right here, and that hasn't happened since November, we can still get off a 47 covered call. See, this is the genius that is my golden guidelines when it comes to downside protection and a favorable entry. It's called the 2-trade method. Every single cash secured put I do, I send to the members the first trade and the second trade. Why do I send them a second trade that's hypothetical? Because part of the problem with most options traders is when they take this trade, what happens is when the stock falls, it falls below their strike. And all of a sudden, money emotions enters the room, and now they don't feel like they could put on their next trade. Because now when the stock falls from 48, 47 down to 45, they feel paralyzed. Well, not at the membership, because we are going to give ourselves downside protection. So when this trade starts, we're already $1.50 ahead. And what I mean by that is, if this were to fall from 48, 47 down to 47, we've given ourselves $1.50 of downside protection. Look, this market will exhaust that selling and then rally. These are indexes. That's what they do. Well, we have a retest, kind of a double tap of the bottom. I believe if we get any good movement higher, this is going to move back to 50 and above. Now, long-term support is your 45. If we're assigned the shares the 2-trade method, we'd be writing a covered call at 47. We're assigned the shares at 47. It falls to 45, but we write a covered call at 47, making good premium. The guy at 48.50, he wrote the at-the-money cash secured put. Yeah, him at 45 reaching up to get a covered call and get out of the trade at 48.50. A little bit harder, less premium. And I'll tell you what, he's not in a favorable position to get out of the trade. Why? Because this is what can happen. This falls to 45. Let's imagine it's down here at 45. Now, when the selling is exhausted and it starts to make its run higher, it may not even get back to his entry of 48.47. This is why we kind of split the difference, right? We play halvesies. I always talk about this. We play halvesies. What we do is we don't do an at-the-money strike because it's going to fall. Look at this chart. You say, John, how do you know it's going to fall? Well, look at this. Because this is what they do. Indexes up and down. We'd love them to go sideways to higher. But right now in this stock market, they are trading sideways to sideways with huge volatility. And look, if you are a weekly paycheck cash secure put trader, well, timing is everything. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and do the 47 cash secure put. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at that cash secure put I sent to the members. The NASDAQ seems more favorable to move higher than lower. So I'm placing my cash secure put in and around 47 as we trade this. Long support is 45. So that goes all the way back to the end of last year. The sell-off has happened and it's happening. That's the key word. It's happening. We don't know if this is the end of selling. So we're going to go ahead and plant our flag at 47. So if we're assigned the shares at 47, we're going to start our covered call campaign using these freshly assigned shares at 47. Take a look at the screen. Where would you rather be? At the top of the range or at the bottom of the range when you start your covered call campaign? Now, hey, look, we're going to go ahead and do that trade tomorrow. That's going to be February 17th. I'm probably going to put on that very same trade, the 47. It depends where the stock's trading, but that's probably going to be the trade. I've already put on many of these. Right now, we have 2 active trades. This is how the members get information from the membership. I send them an email. I send them the blog post. They have it in the phone app. And of course, I don't send them paper trades. I don't send them fake trades. These are real. And the trade you see at the bottom there is a trade that's active right now. It expires this February 20th. It's on 10 contracts, the 47.50 strike, when TQQQ was trading at 49.20. Notice the downside protection. This is literally 1 week. Take a look to the far left. That's February 13th. This expires February 20th. We're going to make cash on cash, if this expires worthless, $1,050. Now, the members got this. So look, if you would love to be a part of what we're doing, oh, I forgot, I was going to show you all of my 2026 cash secure puts. These are all trades that have closed. So this is not pie in the sky. These have closed. So let's take a look at them. I'll dial it in here. We have many trades that we've already done. This is just a month and a half in. You could have had any one of these trades. These are cash secure put trades. I know a lot of you may not want to own the shares, so giving yourself downside protection would be great because as it trades in the range, we can go ahead and have a more favorable chance that the stock falls and then moves higher. Notice all of this downside protection I give myself. If you could zoom in, I'll do it for you. Notice every single trade. Right here, TNA is trading for 55. We give ourselves 52. The next one, TNA, 53, 51. SOXL, 65, 60. 66, 59. You notice a theme? We give ourselves near-term downside protection. So what happens is if it were to fall, if this were to fall, then we are getting in lower and it continues to fall. We're looking to get out of the trade. The guy who got in up here, he's hurting. We're in right here. So we can start that second trade, right? We can do that second immediate covered call. Well, we're not in the fetal position on the ground having money emotions. We don't feel kicked in the ribs. We already knew this was going to happen. That's why we gave ourselves downside protection. Now the selling has bled off and now it's moving higher. Take a look at that. So many times, that's how we trade this. And so many times, these are so predictable. What you want to do is play the bottom of the range. That's a great entry point, and give yourself downside protection. That is 1A and 1B of the golden guidelines of cash secure put selling. Hey, look, in the description below is your 1 free month offer. I want you to sign up. I would love to welcome you aboard. And hey, look, do it now because we're starting a fresh week. Members are going to get trades tomorrow. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.